What's going on, guys? Dan from Airsoft GI, and today we actually got Team Union out here at Project N1. We're going to be filming a multitude of videos, that being the Wheel of Airsoft Agony. We're gonna run some 2v2s, 3v3s, just some normal team death matches, and we're actually gonna do a Hunger Game. So the team's over there. Everybody give a wave to the camera. That's the team. They're dope, they're fast, and I'm gonna have a tough time keeping up.
You gotta tell me where you're at, Boaz. I'm sorry. Oh, bruh.
Game start. 3, 2, 1.
He's over there? Yeah.
Okay, left, yeah, back left. Back left, back left. In the back left, bro. Right, back left, back left.
Game starts. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yo, my bad, bro.
Welcome to the Wheel of Airsoft Agony.